Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make zip file in Android. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. First of all, you need to open your Play Store on your mobile phone and then type here Z-Archiver. So this is the app we need to install, so just click on install. Once it is installed, just click on open. The app will ask for the permission, so we just need to click on allow, then click on OK. So now here is the main thing where we need to locate to the folder where our files are. The files which I want to compress are in the download folder, so let me open the download folder. Now to select the files, just click on the three little dots which you can see at the top, then click on multi select. So you can now select the files which you want to compress, and once you select them, just hold on green area, then you will see the option for compress. Just click here. Now if you want to name your zip file, you can just name it from here, and in the format we need to select zip. And in case if you want to add a password, you can just add that as well, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just click on OK. And yeah, now you can see the zip folder is successfully created here. But in case if you are not able to find it, you can just search it as well. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can make zip file in your Android. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.